Hello friends, welcome to Unacademy GATE MEPIXE. This is Aprup Rao and you are watching Concepts in Minutes, and in this video we are going to talk about point of contraflexure. This particular term comes under shear force and bending moment diagram, and in this video we are going to talk about exactly what is point of contraflexure and what is the significance of point of contraflexure, where exactly the concept of point of contraflexure is needed. Okay, if you are watching my videos for the first time, let me introduce myself. My name is Aprup Rao, All India rank 320 in GATE Mechanical. I have done my MTech from IIT Kharagpur and my specialization was Mechanical Systems Design. In my final year of MTech, I was recruited by Mahindra and Mahindra, and I worked at Mahindra Research Valley for 2 years as deputy manager in the field of design of cars. Then after 2 years, I quit my job and I decided to teach. I have been teaching for more than 6 years now, and I teach subjects related to design, SOM, MD, EM and TOM. Now let's talk about point of contraflexure. Point of contraflexure exactly होता क्या है? So in order to understand point of contraflexure, I am going to consider a simply supported beam. Let's say this is a simply supported beam and let's say this beam is subjected to a couple like this. Let's say this beam is subjected to a couple like this. Let's say this is M. Let's say this is L by 2. Let's say this is L by 2. Let's say this point is A, this point is B, and this point is C. Now let's draw the bending moment diagram of this beam. So if you draw the bending moment diagram, you will get the reactions. What will be the reactions here? This total moment is M. So you will get the reactions M by L and M by L. Okay. So if you draw the free body diagram, if you draw the bending moment diagram, you are going to get a bending moment diagram something like this. Let's say this is our datum. So here bending moment will be 0. At this point bending moment will be M by L into L by 2, means M by 2. But due to this couple, it is suddenly going to change from M by 2 to M by 2 minus M, यानी कि minus M by 2. And then it will become again 0. So your bending moment diagram will be something like this. This is what? This is the bending moment diagram, and you can see that from A to B it is positive and from B to C it is negative. At point B, the bending moment is changing its sign from positive to negative. At point B, bending moment is changing sign from positive to negative. This is known as point of contraflexure. इस point को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Point of contraflexure. Now you might be thinking, why this point is so important? What is so special about this point, right? Point of contraflexure, mathematically speaking, is the point at which bending moment changes its sign from positive to negative. Okay, but exactly what is point of contraflexure? Why it is called contraflexure? So understand the meaning of the word contraflexure. तो contraflexure में contra का मतलब होता है opposite and flexure का मतलब होता है bending. Contra means opposite and flexure means bending. So contraflexure means opposite bending. So what exactly is happening? Understand, if I am getting a positive moment, it means from A to B, the bending is something like this, and from B to C, negative bending moment means bending is something like this, right? From A to B there is hogging, and from B to C from A to B there is sagging, and from B to C there is hogging. Sagging bending moment, hogging bending moment, positive bending moment, negative bending moment. So at point B you can see that the bending moment is changing sign and the bending is also changing. The nature of bending is changing from sagging to hogging. अब आप बोलोगे ठीक है भाई, the bending moment is changing from sagging to hogging, the bending is changing from sagging to hogging. So what? Understand, if there is sagging bending moment, if there is bending like this, then at top there will be compressive stress, at bottom there will be tensile stress, and in this case at top there will be tensile stress, at bottom there will be compressive stress. Now why it matters? Because when you are reinforcing the beam, जब आप beam को reinforce कर रहे होते हैं, usually बेटा we deal with concrete beams. In structures we deal with concrete beams, and concrete has more strength in compression than tension. So in compression the concrete beam doesn't need reinforcement, it needs reinforcement in tension. तो बेटा यूजुअली ब्रिटल मटेरियल का अगर आप बीम बना रहे हो तो उसको कंप्रेशन में दिक्कत नहीं है, टेंशन में दिक्कत है. सो यू नीड टू प्रोवाइड रीइंफोर्समेंट इन टेंशन. सो इफ यू नो द पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्ट्राफ्लेक्सर यू कैन डिसाइड फ्रॉम विच पॉइंट टू विच पॉइंट द रीइंफोर्समेंट विल बी ऑन टॉप, from which point to which point the reinforcement will be on bottom. जैसे यहाँ A से B तक reinforcement जो रहेगा वो bottom पे रहेगा और B से C तक reinforcement जो है वो top पे रहेगा. टेंशन वाली साइड में आपको reinforcement देना है, ठीक है. So बेटा it is very important to find point of contraflexure in order to understand from which point to which point we will have sagging, from which point to which point we will have hogging. Why? In order to design the reinforcement. तो रीइंफोर्समेंट डिजाइन करने के लिए कहां रीइंफोर्समेंट देना है, किस पॉइंट से किस पॉइंट तक किस साइड देना है, दैट इज डिसाइडेड बाय पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्ट्राफ्लेक्सर. अब देखो पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्ट्राफ्लेक्सर पे बेंडिंग मोमेंट चेंजेस इट्स साइन. नाउ इन सम केसेस बेंडिंग मोमेंट कैन बिकम जीरो एट पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्ट्राफ्लेक्सर, इन सम केसेस इट माइट नॉट बी जीरो. फॉर एग्जांपल लेट्स से the bending moment is changing sign like this. Let's say the bending moment is changing sign like this. Let's say this is the bending moment diagram. This is positive, this is negative. So this is point of contraflexure. So at point of contraflexure bending moment is zero. But here at point of contraflexure bending moment is not zero. It is m by 2 and minus m by 2. It is not zero. So point of contraflexure is not necessarily the point at which bending moment is zero. Point of contraflexure वो point नहीं है जहाँ bending moment zero होता है, ये वो point है जहाँ bending moment का sign change होता है. In some cases both the points are same. कुछ cases में दोनों point same है. The point at which bending moment is zero is also this and point of contraflexure is also this. या sign भी change हो रहा है और bending moment zero भी है. But it is not necessary कि दोनों चीजें हमेशा होंगी. Okay, so that you need to keep in mind. Okay, so beta this is what you need to know about point of contraflexure. Now if you want to understand more about it, in which cases we get point of contraflexure, how to find the location of point of contraflexure, for that you need to see my complete lectures, free lectures of strength of materials. I have taken free lectures on engineering mechanics, strength of materials, machine design, theory of machines as well as vibration. So if you want to see my free lectures of all these subjects, if you want to see the notes of all these subjects, then just open this one link tinyurl.com/approved10. बस ये एक लिंक खोल लो और आपको मेरी सारी लिंक्स मिल जाएंगी, मेरे सारे क्लासेस की लिंक्स मिल जाएंगी. You will get the e-books, you will get these Excel sheets where I have uploaded all the links of my classes, free lectures, subject by subject, lecture by lecture. तो पूरा ऑर्गेनाइज तरीके से कंटेंट रखा हुआ है, आपको सब कुछ बड़ी आसानी से मिल जाएगा. हाउ टू ओपन दिस लिंक? Go to any web browser and just like you type facebook.com or youtube.com, type tinyurl.com/approved10, enter and you will open this page. And if you want to see my upcoming lectures, अगर मेरे आगे आने वाले lectures देखना चाहते हैं, then बेटा just follow my personal telegram channel. This is my personal telegram channel. I update all the links and notifications of my classes personally in this Telegram channel. मैं personally अपने Telegram channel पे सारे आगे आने वाली classes के links और notification share करता हूं. So if you want to see all my upcoming lectures, just follow this Telegram channel. And if you want to study with India's top educators in a structured course for GATE, for ESE, for PSU exams, take Unacademy Plus subscription. अगर आप इंडिया के टॉप एजुकेटर्स के साथ एक स्ट्रक्चर्ड कोर्स में पढ़ना चाहते हैं तो अनअकैडमी प्लस का सब्सक्रिप्शन ले लीजिए. यू आर गोइंग टू गेट ऑन टाइम क्लासेस, डेली असाइनमेंट्स, वीकली क्विजेस, ऑनलाइन टेस्ट सीरीज, क्वेश्चन बैंक, doubt clearing sessions, a lot of things which are not possible on this platform. YouTube पे जो चीजें possible नहीं है वो सारी चीजें आपको यहाँ मिलेंगी. doubt clearing session से लेके personal guidance से लेके assignments, question bank, सब कुछ आपको यहाँ मिलेगा. So it will be a complete structured course. Okay. और अगर आपको डाउट है whether the online classes will help you in clearing the gate or not, then just watch our results of GATE 21. गेट 21 का हमारा रिजल्ट देख लीजिए और आपका डाउट पूरा क्लियर हो जाएगा. आपको समझ में आएगा कि ऑनलाइन क्लासेस से अनअकैडमी में पढ़ के बच्चों ने अंडर 100 रैंक लाई है. अंडर 100 क्या, अंडर 10 रैंक लाई है. फर्स्ट रैंक भी आ चुकी है अनअकैडमी से. सो बेटा, दैट इज द पावर ऑफ अनअकैडमी, दैट इज द पावर ऑफ ऑनलाइन क्लासेस. ओके, सो इफ यू वांट टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस, देन choose 1 year, 1.5 year or 2 year subscription. You can use this code in order to get 10% off. आप मेरा ये रेफरल कोड यूज कर सकते हैं 10% ऑफ के लिए. And if you are using this referral code, you are not only getting 10% off, but you are also getting my personal guidance. Because बेटा, अगर आप मेरा पर्सनल कोड यूज कर रहे हैं, रेफरल कोड यूज कर रहे हैं, मतलब आप मेरे भरोसे अनअकैडमी ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं, तो आप मेरी जिम्मेदारी हो. आपका पूरा का पूरा प्रिपरेशन का ध्यान रखना, आपको गाइड करना विल बी माय रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. यू कैन पे दिस फी इन EMI ऑल्सो without any additional cost, and you can also take Unacademy Iconic subscription for 1 year or 2 year. In Iconic subscription, you are going to get a personal coach who will be your personal guide, who will make your study plans, who will take one-on-one sessions, who will analyze your test scores, who will tell you whether you are making the mistakes or not. तो आपका पूरा ध्यान रखना एक पर्सनल कोच का काम रहेगा. So by taking Unacademy Iconic subscription, you are going to get a personal coach. Now before leaving, don't forget to hit the like button, share the link and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any ideas regarding any concept, अगर आपके मन में भी कोई ऐसा concept है जिसका physical significance जानना है, जिसका आपका basic clear नहीं है, then let me know in the comments and I will make sure that there is a video on that topic. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in some other video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.